Traffic generation strategies, category number 6, third-party blog traffic. Guest posts. Do a search for blogs that focus on your niche. Go through their content to see if they publish guest posts. Make sure you reach out only to niche-targeted blogs that publish guest posts. Pro. You get very targeted direct traffic. People are not going to waste their time clicking on your link if they are not interested in what you had to say on your guest post. This increases the likelihood that people who click through your guest post link are actually in your target audience. You also get the benefit from the existing credibility of the third-party blog. If that blog actually already gets quite a bit of traffic, this can translate to a nice flow of direct traffic from your contributed post. Con. The more credible or authoritative the third-party blog, the harder it is to get published there. You have to do blogger outreach correctly. You also have to invest quite a bit of time and effort producing the right content that they would want to publish. Comments. In most blog posts, people can comment. If people like your comment, they can click on the link contained in your post. Bloggers are very protective of their comment section and content. You have to post real comments. These must enrich the discussion the community is having regarding the blog post you're commenting on. Otherwise, people are going to think your comment is spam. Pro, if done right, blog commenting will not only produce direct traffic to your site, but it can also make you credible in your niche. People can sit up and pay attention to your authority because you've demonstrated your knowledge and expertise in the quality of your comments. This can open a lot of doors. People may want you to contribute a blog post or interview. Con. People can be very touchy on blog comments. Don't be surprised if your comment gets taken down or your account gets blocked. Furthermore, if you abuse your blog comment privileges, don't be surprised if other influential bloggers in your niche start to boycott your site. Conclusion. The key to affiliate marketing success in 2018 and beyond. The key to affiliate marketing success in 2018 beyond is to focus on what works. Do a lot of experiments with traffic sources and conversion tools. But at the end of the day, you need to identify what works, optimize it so it converts at the highest predictable level possible, and then scale it up. In other words, do more of it, get more of that type of traffic, and produce more of that type of conversion tool. You should also optimize by changing your offers to ensure that you present an offer that converts at the highest predictable level. Diversification is crucial. Nowhere in this training do I say that you should just stick to one method. At the very least, you should stick to maybe 3 to 5 methods. This way, you will always have a backup if your preferred method, for some reason or another, falls apart. In this game, nothing lasts forever. So do yourself a big favor, make sure that you always have backup sources of traffic for your conversion tools. Always remember to optimize. Optimization is a never-ending process. Don't think that just because you're able to convert at a certain percentage that you're stuck there. There's always room for improvement. The only question is how much time you have for it. But once you have set up a stable system and you have many different conversion tools all set up and they're producing trickles of cash, optimize all of them. Scale up. Many little streams of revenue add up to a big river. Scale up in terms of volume or scale up in terms of conversions. Whatever the case may be, you need to scale up. If this means that you're going to have to create many more websites with each of them making a small trickle of cash, go for it. However, if you feel that your time is better spent building fewer sites with higher conversion rates, go down that route. Whatever the case may be, make your decision and stick to it. I wish you the greatest success.